what would make you feel special when you celebrate? Whether it be a wedding, whether it be a birthday party, and for that matter, my brand is everything celebrations. Every day should be a celebration. You can create everything and anything with a little bit of imagination, a couple steps, and we make it really easy at Michael's, being able to tell your story and bring your personality and who you are as a couple when you walk down that aisle.
We really can call you a royal expert, having planned events for the royal family. I mean, can you give us the skinny? What's it like planning for a prince as opposed to your other clients?
Well, it is very different because there's a lot of protocol. So you're dealing a lot with social secretaries, and you have to go through so many layers to get an answer. You know, typically I could speak directly to the client, and you know, I wasn't picking the phone up and saying, "Hey, Prince Charles, how's it going? I have a question," because that's who I worked for. So there's a much more different regiment in understanding how they like to operate and their level of communication and their expectations. That's the trick. Looking royal, looking fabulous, but not spending the budget that the royal family will be spending. Girls can look like $1 million, but don't have to spend it.
There you go. That's what we want to hear. David Tutera, it's such a pleasure to have you. Thank you so much.
Cheers, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving and cheers, David Tutera, ladies and gentlemen.
This is David
Tutera. Yes, I've seen your television show. You're very popular with our clients.
Thank you. And I understand that you're heading up the new fashion arm at the Jabot.
That's right. You're well informed.
Mm-hmm. Yes, we're going to start the bouquet because it's important to get as much of a personality and a story that you can when putting your wedding together. So this is for my line at Michael's. It starts with the basics. So consider this more like a blank canvas, and you build from it.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh. Well, hopefully we'll see you in the near future.
Oh, I don't think marriage is in the cards for me.
Cats, maybe. I'll get your check.
Mom, it's gonna be totally fine. David Tutera of My Fair Wedding does this all the time. Well, where is he? WWDTD.
What would David Tutera do?
Exactly. He'd figure it out.
This is lovely. And the food is wonderful. I've already spoken to them about the catering for your wedding. It's all arranged. And I spoke to my dear friend David Tutera. He's wonderful. He has his own line of wedding dresses, and he's going to be fitting you himself.
Serve your drinks in mason jars. Now shake things up with flavor with Tic Tac Summer Ice Pop, a true classic with a new twist.
World-renowned celebrity wedding planner, David Tutera. Oh my God.
Pick one look and take it to the fullest. I have a big celebrity event, and I need a strong team.
We're the elitist of the elite.
Solid resume. Love the tuxes, but I'm thinking that this is a very important part. You're hired.
This is it. The mission we've been preparing for our entire lives.
Now, about entertainment. That's not really... So not what... Oh, boy.